a property under 2 million located in a great location with very nice facility at Hillside and Condo Telfo. Hello everyone, today you are here with me, Nun Perfect Homes, and today we are going to take you to see the property that we have for sale in this building. This Hillside 4 condominium located on Hue Keo Road, Chiang Mai Subdistrict, Mueang District, Chiang Mai Province. As you can see, this condo has offered a good facility like outdoor swimming pool, 24-hour security, and have a reception that open 24 hours as well with a nice lobby, and also a key card to access the building. Not just that, it also offers a covered parking for both car and motorcycle. And this lovely studio, the site is about 45.03 square meter, fully furnished, located on 11th floor. Hillside 4 condominium is a great location for all investors and the traveler because it's close to Chiang Mai Ram Hospital, Suan Dok Hospital, Maya Lifestyle Shopping Mall, Chiang Mai University, and also close to the Old Town, and very short drive to Chiang Mai International Airport. Now I cannot wait to show you this property. Let's go. As you see, we are now on the balcony of the apartment, and this is the highlights of this apartment as well, where you will enjoy the view of the city and the greenery from the tree every day. And this balcony is also very spacious. It has offer with a nice sitting area here, and you also can hang the clothes on the balcony as well. The balcony, it has separate with this glass sliding door. Not just that, it also have a mosquito screen with a blind curtain and the block out curtain as well, in case you are not a morning person. This lovely unit has offer fully furnished. It comes with this furniture, dressing table, a working deck here with the chair around, and the bed is about 5 foot space with a bedside table here, nice painting, and has one air conditioner. Right next to me, this is a television with a TV stand with the cabinet here, really nice. It has come with this comfy sofa as well. And this lovely dining table is have offer a full set of dining table with a kitchenette here, have a basic electric appliance like the kettle, microwave, refrigerator, and plenty of storage. Next to me, this is a wardrobe, white color with a 3 swing door, really nice. Right behind me, this is the main entrance. Look at the door, really beautiful. It also comes with this shoe cabinet as well, really good. And this is a modern bathroom, nice sink here with a really beautiful color of the mirror. The shelf here with the washing machine, really convenient, and the shower box here with a water heater, really nice. that's it for today. As you see, this spacious studio has offered fully furnished with living space 45.03 square meter, located on 11th floor of Hillside 4 condominium. This condominium is close to all amenities like Maya Lifestyle Shopping Mall, One Nimman Mall, Nimman Hemin area, Chiang Mai Ram Hospital, Suan Dok Hospital, and very short drive to Chiang Mai International Airport. And to get to this condominium is also very easy. Let's start from Maya Lifestyle Shopping Mall. Get on Hue Gao Road for 300 meters. On the left hand, you will see this Hillside 4 condominium. So for more information, please comment or call me at the number above. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss a great property like this from us. See you next time. Bye!